So it's time to turn on the furnace for the first time this year. It's got down to 63 degrees in the house, 36 outside. So we've waited long enough. It's finally time to turn on the Tempstar SP80 gas furnace. The data sheet. This furnace is actually from 1994, late 1994, and the air conditioner is from early 1995. So the furnace got put in first. So I'm going to set the camera up on the tripod here, and we're just going to start this thing up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the cover off now. I just had to verify that I could do it. I'll move the tripod here so you can see the gas. There we go. And I guess I'll go start it up. Problems in the past. That just readily expanded. Here goes the door. Let's get ready for the stick. Take this off of here. There it goes. Seems to be working fine. Tempstar 5000 lives another summer. I'll have to check and see if the draft inducer still does that squeal. Oh, yeah, that's stinky. I'm gonna go start up the humidifier, which is an old April Air, right back there. Alright, I'm gonna go turn on the humidifier. I'll be right back. I think that came on. Alright. Alright, the cover back on. It seems to be going out warm. So, successful first startup of the old Tempstar SP80 furnace for winter 2020. Hope you enjoy.